Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Hi guys! Last night I was invited to a business dinner and we ate in a very known restaurant here in Quezon City. And they serve a very delicious Galbi Jjim. So today I'm planning to remake it and share it with you. Tara! Let's cook it using Koizumi multi-cooker. So now let's cook Galbi Jjim. So for our Galbi Jjim, the ingredients we're going to use are water, short ribs, soy sauce, honey, mirin, red onion, pear or apple, ginger, garlic, leeks, mushrooms, some carrots, and brown sugar. So place our short ribs in our multi-cooker. Add water. Maybe about 1 liter or until makover lang yung meat natin. Then add garlic, leeks, and ginger. Press beef stew for 28 minutes and start. Then while our beef short ribs is cooking, let's mix our soy sauce, sesame oil, pear or apple kung meron kayo, red onion, ginger, brown sugar, and honey. So this one, i-blender lang natin siya. Pero I have here yung blended na. Tilt lang natin yung pressure seal para mag-release yung air from inside. Let's check our short ribs. So okay na rin siya. Let's move on to our next step. So next step, with our grill pot, add natin yung sauce natin, yung blended. Add our short ribs. And some water. Add our carrots and mushrooms. So for this one, simmer lang natin siya hanggang ma-absorb ng meat yung flavor ng sauce natin. Maybe for about 15 to 20 minutes since naluto na natin siya kanina sa multi-cooker natin for about 30 minutes. Then let's cover. So okay na. Na-absorb na rin ng meat natin yung sauces o yung sauce natin. Time to plate. So ready to plate na tayo. Let's get our bowl in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our Galbi Jjim.